Multifunctional dual comfort cushion memory foam seat of hip lift seat cushion beautiful butt latex seat cushion comfy for home. Features. Sitting for great amounts of time, especially with an unsupported pelvis, can cause tons of discomfort. It may result in lower back pain, fatigue, improper sitting posture, and even poor blood circulation. This is why it is always important to ensure that we use chairs or other sitting paraphernalia that will keep us comfortable and supported all the time. This is where our dual comfort cushion comes in. The dual comfort cushion balances the pelvis and relieves pressure on the tailbone, hips, and spine. It can turn any chair into an ergonomic posture-correcting, and pain-relieving seat. Made with soft plush material and dual temperature texture suitable for hot and cold weather. Specifications. Material, plush. Filler, sponge, emulsion. Size, 16.5 by 11.8 by 3.9 inches. Package included. 1x dual comfort cushion.